Hey, what's up, guys? It's Dre, giving you guys just a rundown on what's happening today. This is actually video lesson number 1. If you are watching this right now, stay tuned for every single video lesson. I am going to teach you from the basic shit to learn when it comes to penny stocks and how to trade them, okay? The only thing I'm going to ask you for is to like, share, and subscribe. If you can do those 3 things, and I consistently see people doing so, I will continue to upload videos and explain everything. If it doesn't happen, I'm going to be dismotivated and try to find another way to make money. That is the honest truth. Okay, so let's get started. So what is this? What is all of this? This is what I call my little platform. I've actually customized it. Down here, you'll see where it says all the action. I have charts. I have level 2s. I have the news, and etc., etc. So basically, I bought in 400 shares. I'm sorry, 4,000 shares of DXTR at 35. It is now at 35.64 for a profit of $23.05. Now, the reason I did it, and let me just explain why. This is a 5-day chart. It had a bit of a breakout. Now, there's something called support and there's something called resistance. So this is support down here. This is resistance right about there. Why? Because it is a point where something could not get over. So if that makes any sense, let me explain. See that 35 cents, 35.04? 2 times it tried to break that and it couldn't. And that is called resistance. Okay. Down here, support is about this spot right here. You see how we have this part here, and then this part here are all about the same point, and that is at about 25 cents 12. So that is support. Okay. Now today, let's go to charts so I can actually show you guys. Okay. So look. This is today. All right, so look, this is today. It opened up at about 28 cents and it went up to 35 cents and it held its gains around 34, 35. So it did break that one. What is this? What was it? 34? Yeah, 34. It broke 34 and went up to 38 today and it held its gains. So look at all this volume building up. As you can see back here, this is 7 days. There's not much volume back here. It started getting volume and it started moving. As you can see, get more volume, it starts moving. Now let's go ahead and look at a 100-day chart. So let's make this daily. Make this 100. All right. So look, you see the history on this. There's usually some spikeage when it comes to volume. You know, not very much, but there is spikeage when it comes to a little bit of volume. Now, you see all this volume? No spiking. This is like anticipation of a spike. Like we're waiting. I'm waiting for this. This has got to happen. It doesn't have to. It's not 100% sure, but from my pattern and from what I'm looking at, from what I've studied, usually when there's volume, there's a big movement. So I bought in because I'm guessing this can go up at least to the 45. As you can see that right here, there's support support at that point, resistance at this point at 45, and I plan to pull out at 45. I don't expect it to go any higher than that. It can go higher than that. Let me show you what I mean. Let me go back to these. This is MBRX. Okay, so this is a 5-day chart. It started at under $1, 81 cents, and that was Tuesday. That was Wednesday the 21st, and today it is at $2.06. So obviously you see this volume down here. You see how there was nothing here, nothing's happening. There's volume, it spikes up, volume, it spikes up. There's a pattern there. Obviously the more volume of buyers, the more it's going to go up. It goes up in price. And it's really not rocket science. It's rocket science. Anyone can learn this shit. It's pretty fucking simple. And the reason I'm in, well, I didn't get in this one. This is AVEO. Next one. You see this? Does this not look familiar to you guys? Do you guys not see the pattern here? Do you see what's going on? Now it's a bull's market right now, so obviously things are going upward. A lot of people are getting squeezed as far as short sellers, but right now, this looks beautiful, beautiful. AVEO, watch that for tomorrow. Now today is the 27th. Okay, it is 3:57 p.m. Central Time. I'm filming this after the market is closed. I am going to film the second video tomorrow morning when the market opens and show you guys exactly what's going on and what I anticipate. Now, as far as DXTR, I do anticipate it to go a little bit higher and maybe touch that 38 again, which I plan to sell at 38. I know it's only 4 cents and that is a horrible thing to do, but I am playing with a small account. Pretty sure that a lot of people don't have much money, so I started off with this account that's only less than $2,000. Today I invested $1,400 into 4,000 shares of DXTR, and leaves me with only $500 left of cash. So as you can see, I just want to show everybody how it can start with a small account, and you're gonna eventually, since you are literally watching my first video lesson, if you subscribe now and you keep watching from this point on, you're gonna see the same account go up. Okay, you need to just pay attention on a daily basis. Okay, I don't trade daily. I trade maybe 3 times a week. It's not an everyday thing, maybe 2 times a week. But when I do, it's because I see something I like and I know the pattern, and that's what I'm going to go for. And tomorrow, we're going to see what happens here. If I happen to be at a loss, I am going to cut my losses short fast. I'm not going to wait. I'm going to cut it off quick, even if minutes later it surpasses the point that I would have been at a profit. It's not my call. It's just a rule that you follow. Cut your losses short every single time, and let your profits rise. So once again, this is my first video lessons. Make sure you like, subscribe, and share. Now, if you like, subscribe, and share, once again, I'm going to make sure that I keep posting up videos to teach you guys the basics. If I don't have many shares or likes, I'm going to guess that I'm just very boring teacher and I can't teach you guys shit. So make sure you guys like, share, and subscribe. Alright guys, have a good one, man.